To get started editing HTML, all you need is a basic text editor. You don't need anything fancy. Really, all you need is something that can save and edit text files. The most common program is Notepad, and that comes with pretty much every Windows system that's been published in the last 15, 20 years. But you're going to want something a little bit more advanced, something with a little bit of syntax highlighting. And my recommendation is go with something free that's really robust, is very versatile, has some basic syntax highlighting in there, and you can use it on pretty much every system. I highly recommend using Notepad++, and you can download that by going to notepadplus.org. I'll put the link below, and if you simply click on their download page, you'll be able to download it depending on the format that you want. Most people will just take the installer, and if you have a very strong programming background, this is also open source. So you can modify it, make your own plugins, use other people's plugins, and customize the utility that Notepad++ offers you. Now my suggestion is stick with something that has syntax highlighting. It doesn't have to be Notepad++. It can be any other program that you are familiar with, that you're happy with using, but I would really prefer if you got something with syntax highlighting. Now what that is this coloring that you see in this image here, where there's blue curly brackets, while is blue, true is blue. The comments are a different color as well. It color codes your code for you. Now this doesn't seem very important when you're only working with 100 or 200 lines of code, but when you eventually start working with massive projects that have 5, 10, 15, 20,000 lines of code in just one file, this is really, really going to help you out. But again, you can use any program you like as long as you can save it as a text file. That's just a .txt. And you can always change that extension to .html.